How to turn off the stolen device protection on your iPhone without Face ID. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have lost access to your Face ID and want to turn off the stolen device protection on your iPhone, this is what you should do. Stolen device protection is a new iOS security feature that limits access to certain settings and actions if your iPhone thinks it might be stolen, especially in public places. If Face ID is unavailable or broken, turning off this feature becomes tricky, but it's not impossible. So first, you must be in a familiar location, like your home, work or any trusted place where you have previously unlocked your iPhone. Apple uses this to verify if it's really you. Once that is done, go to your Face ID settings on your settings of your device. Then enter your passcode. Then go to Face ID. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will see the option of stolen device protection. Since you are in a familiar location, Apple may allow you to turn it off using just your passcode. However, if this does not work, you might have to connect to a known Wi-Fi. After that, if you wait for some time and try it again, you can simply turn off the option using your passcode. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.